Welcome students. This video is about Mod 5. You are to create a similar video as the one that I'm going to show you. This one is called Do You Think? So I'm going to go ahead and play it for you. This is just a student example. You'll notice that it is in video format.
Listen to the rhythms of our slanted voices.
It is uploaded to YouTube. There's music involved, and there's a little bit of narration to it also. You can choose if you want to simply put music to it or if you want to narrate it. That's up to you. This is this student's vision or version of what critical thinking is within his or her classroom. And that's the same thing that I want you to do. I'm not going to play the entire thing. I have given you the link so that you can take a look at it on your own. It says to use Google Presentation, Screencast-O-Matic, YouTube, and then you will put it into Google+. I am open to you using an application of your choice as long as it is in video form. Please make sure that you include those standards. Points will be taken off if those standards are not included. And also, if you take any information from the web, make sure that you use the proper citation. So I hope that this will clarify this assignment. Like I said, your version of what critical thinking is might be different from someone else's. Part of it is learning what critical thinking is, and part of it is creating a presentation to share with others. So another part of our presentations that are like this, our project-based presentations, is that Mod 6, what is for you to give peer feedback. It will say that you need to give an Oreo feedback. What that means is you're going to start with a positive, so make sure within those different feedbacks that you give your peers that you start with something very positive. The next thing in the very middle is if you have criticisms or ways that this product can be made better, please make sure that you tell your peer that. And then of course you're going to end with a positive. So that is what is required for the feedback. Hopefully this helps you with this next project. Thanks.